Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tyrone.webdev. Welcome to HTML for the absolute beginner. In this video, I will be going over the article tag. The article tag is used for a self-containing part of a web page. An example of an article tag could be an individual article for a blog post, um, a form post, um, uh, a magazine or news article, a product card, a user submit comment, an interactive widget, or other independent content. An article tag could be used multiple times on a page, and an article tag is reusable. Um, Let me show you. I'm gonna make a small widget, and this could be used on multiple pages on other sites. Not your primary site, but on other sites. So it's reusable. You could use it on other sites. You could use the content from your site on other sites. That's what. Let's see. Um, uh, let's see. Put an H1 here. Yeah, and the article tag is gotta be identified with like a H1, H6. You gotta identify the article tag. So let's see, weather forecast. Oh yeah, I'm typing wrong. Weather forecast. So I have went over the H1 in previous videos. So the H1 is the primary tag of a website, and you have the subheadings which is H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Seattle. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I can't spell Seattle. Okay, right there, I'm losing my mind. Okay, so I spelled Seattle right, so that's good, guys. So, okay, let's put another article tag. Could be nested too. So let's put another article tag with a class. I haven't gone on the class attribute or the ID attribute. But one thing about the class attribute, you could use it multiple times on a page. On the ID attribute, you could only use one time on a page. I haven't gone over it, so put an H2, which you know, H2 is a subheader. So that's the H2. And then we have a P tag that represents a paragraph. So let's neat this up. Copy this. Let's copy it and paste. Why do all that type when we could copy and paste, right? Let's paste it one more time, and I'm gonna change the content inside of it so you could see how the widget look. So heavy rain, periods of rain. This one is periods of rain. Alright, so let's see how it look in the browser now. Okay, that's not it. So this is it. Oh, I already have it. So that would be how it looks in the browser. That's a widget, a weather widget that you could use on other, put it on other sites and other blogs and stuff like that. So like I said, the article tag is a reusable site, a reusable tag. The article tag is conjunction with the section tag You could use the article tag in conjunction with the section tag to divide up the article tag in a discrete kind of way. Let's see. Let's see how that works. Let's see how it works. How you divide up the article tag with the section tag. So I got rid of that. So let's see how. So I guess it's this way. You just put a section in it. So this would be a primary blog content, and this would be secondary blog content. What's going on with my spelling today? So yeah, so that's basically the article tag right there. So the article tag is just a self-contained containing part of a web page. So that's basically the article tag right there. You know, it's just a basic independent reusable self-containing part of a web page. So that's it, guys. That's basically the basic about the article tag. The basic about the article tag. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Enjoy your journey. You will get there. Just keep trying. Don't give up and enjoy your journey. That's it. Thank you.